Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use data validation in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my data as the example. And the first one, I'm going to apply the data validation for this date column. So I just need to fill this column with date only. First of all, we can select the cells like this and go to the data and go to the data tools and choose this menu, the data validation, and select data validation. And then here you can choose the validation criteria, and I'm going to select date since I want to allow date only for my column. And then you can input the start date and also the end date. Okay, and I'm going to input the date. For the start date, I'm going to choose this one, and for the end date we can choose this F3 cell. Okay, and then just click on OK. And I'm going to try to fill this column with Word, for example. And as you can see that this value doesn't match the data validation. So you will automatically get this reminder. Okay, and I can only fill this column with date only. Let me try it. Okay. And then the second one, guys, I'm going to use the data validation for the skipped column. So I'm going to put on list. Right here, I'm going to select the cells and go to the data validation, and I'm going to choose list. And for the source, I'm going to choose the skipped list. Okay, and I'm going to fill it with the gift list here. Okay, as you can see that we can only choose doll or flower, because I have already applied data validation here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use data validation in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!